Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make over this mail holder that I got at a thrift store for a couple of dollars. The first thing I'm going to do is sand the whole mail holder to give the paint a nice background to stick to. Once I was done sanding, I wiped it all down, and now I'm ready to apply my paint. And I'm going to use chalk paint in the color Sage Green, and I'm going to paint this whole thing with that color. And it ended up taking 2 coats. Once I had both coats on there, I am going to take my sandpaper again and I am going to sand off all of the edges. I kind of want this to have a little bit of a rustic look to it. So I'm just going to sand around all of the edges where things would normally wear and tear. Once I have that all done, I'm going to take some brown wax and add that around to all the edges as well. And I added some in the middle on the mail holder slots and on the sides. And there it is, all done with the brown wax. And I'm going to take these rub-on transfers that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start with the top one that says Farm Fresh Flowers. I cut that out, and I'm going to adhere that to the top. Just using a popsicle stick to push it down and then peel off the paper. On the next slat, I am going to use the bottom half of that Farm Fresh Flowers that says Seeds, Stems, and Blooms. I'm going to add that to that one. Right underneath that, I am going to add these florals that I found on the same sheet. I'm going to add that right underneath that. Again, just using my popsicle stick, peeling off once it was all stuck. On the next one, I found this cute little plant pot that was also on there. I'm going to add that to the center. Again, same process, peel off the paper. Then on either side of this, I added these 2 little designs that I got off the other rub-on transfer. So I'm just going to put those on either side of the pot. And again, using the same method to get those on there. Making sure that they're even. And then pressing it down using my popsicle stick. And peel off both sides. And for the bottom one, they had these little tools. I thought that would be perfect for the bottom. So it's got some garden tools and a watering can. I'm going to lay that on the bottom one and use the same process and add that one on. Once I had all of these on, this project was finished. I didn't really want to add anything else to it. I thought it was cute just the way it was. I am going to take it outside and spray it down with some polyurethane to preserve it. And I think it turned out so stinking cute. I absolutely love this. It looks great hanging in my breezeway. And I hope this inspires you to look at things at thrift stores differently. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to spread the chaos.